this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today I've got a few tips on the Pool Rover Junior. So the first tip is a question we actually get a lot, which is, why is my pool cleaner running slow or not at all? The first thing we're going to tell you to do is check the filter bag and clean it. As debris gets sucked in through the cleaner, it'll fill up the bag. And the way that this cleaner works is through a pump motor that sucks in water and pushes filter water out each end, and that causes it to move. If the bag is completely full, no water is going to be able to get through, and so your cleaner will just move very slowly or stop. So remove the filter bag, clean it, check it for any holes or tears, and also check the cleaner, make sure nothing is dislodged into the propeller, rinse it out. The next is pool coverage. So you'll notice that you have some holes. These holes will hold the pin where you can adjust the angle of the axle on the cleaner. So if you'd like the cleaner to do more acute turns, or if you're having trouble maybe getting out of certain areas of the pool, you can use this pin to adjust the angle of the cleaner. The next tip is going to be removing the cleaner from the pool. So as you gently tug on the floating cable to bring the cleaner to the surface, you always want to remove the cleaner by this handle. Now there's one handle on this side and one handle on the other. It's whatever preference you choose. But do not just yank it out by the cord, because you could actually rip the cord right out of the pump motor, and you don't want to do that. And we hope you've enjoyed those tips and find them useful. Enjoy.
Introducing the APRVJR Smart Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. This high-efficiency cleaner comes equipped with super absorbent PBA brushes and a powerful suction that will help capture the toughest dirt and debris in your pool. Our cleaner is designed to be lightweight for easy transportation, with a high durability for many uses. The Smart Cleaner easily travels the floor and walls of your pool, cleaning hard-to-reach spaces and thick debris. The anti-roll technology helps keep the cleaner in place while climbing steep walls and surfaces. It also features a 50-foot-long Tangle-Free cable and an easy-to-use power source. To use your APRVJR Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner, simply plug it into the power source and cycle between the 1, 2, and 3-hour cleaning times. Place the cleaner in the water for submersion. Now sit back and get comfortable as the APRVJR Smart does the cleaning for you. Once the scheduled cleaning is finished, you can access the filter and debris trap from the top of the machine. Simply empty the filter and clean with water. Your APRVJR Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner is now ready for its next use. You can now enjoy a cleaner pool without the rigorous labor of cleaning manually.